All right, thank you for recreating this entire version of the police, Uttar Pradesh police. There have been some stuff which fell out of the car, which has been taken from this very spot, has been picked up by the forensics team of the Uttar Pradesh police. That's the spot where the car was. The police did recover some stuff from there. The car, as the forensic team officer was in fact speaking to us, he said that it will be taken to a police station, and from the police station there will be more in fact forensic examination that will be conducted on that very car. Now let me just show you. Now this will give you a better picture. This is where, and just look at this spot. It's very curious in fact. In the entire stretch from here, just take a look at this. This is the wire, in fact, which have been put because it's a highway, so that animals and others don't jump onto this entire place. Now, very curiously, look at this section. This is the only section where there is no barricading, no wire. There is a road, a kacha road that goes inside, possibly to that place. That's the only spot where the car, in fact, skid off the road. Quite interesting that in the entire stretch, there is no other place where the car, in fact, slipped off the road. Only a place where it is, at this moment, there is, in fact, an opening, a division between. There is no wire, there is no barricading here. That's the place where the car comes through this area, turns, in fact, upside down here. And from here, Vikas Dubey is injured in that accident, and then he tries to snatch a weapon, or in fact snatches a weapon, according to the Uttar Pradesh police, and runs towards this kacha road, inside this kacha road, towards that spot where Dinesh is showing you the policemen are standing. So now that's the spot where Vikas Dubey is challenged, and he fires at the police and is shot dead. That's what the police says. Now the police is also saying that the forensic team is saying that they have not been able to find much. Most of the things have been washed, but quite interesting. In fact, this was pointed out by Dinesh, my camera person, that this is the only spot where the car skid and came in this entire stretch, which is completely barricaded and has a wire on the service road. I mean, the only opening spot, opening that the car could find, the only place which is open, which is there is no barricading. The car skid and came off-road and fell right at this very spot. The car now has been taken to the police station. It's still there. It's just a few meters away from where I'm standing right now. And then, of course, the police now also trying to make sure that the onlookers, those who have been here, this has been, quite a Bollywoodish affair as far as Vikas Dubey is concerned. A gangster larger than life, and after the killing of the 8 policemen, a brutal murder of the 8 policemen had the attention of the entire nation. And all these people, the locals from, in fact, this area, coming here to just catch a glimpse of the spot where Vikas Dubey was gunned down. So once again, for the benefit of our viewers, that's the road where on which the car was traveling. It skids off, passes through the very only opening in this entire stretch, folds here in this area, in this kacha area. Vikas Dubey jumps out of the car, which has 4 injured policemen, snatches a pistol, runs towards that kacha road. As you can see, where the policemen are standing in a barricaded square, a taped square. That's where the police then recovers. They challenge Vikas Dubey. Vikas Dubey fires at them, and then he is shot and killed here early in the morning between 6:30 and 7 a.m. We are waiting for more details as far as this case is concerned. Interestingly, speaking to the forensic team officer, who told us that not much has been recovered from this, because most of the fingerprints and everything else has been washed because it has been continuously raining. He also said they have not been able to find the casing of the various weapons which were discharged, the bullets that were fired. That gives you a better understanding of which weapon was used, who fired from which weapon, how many rounds were fired here. And apart from that, he also says that no blood sample. They have been able to pick up some blood sample from the spot. This will require further investigation. The main motto of the forensic team right now is to, in fact, establish how the car skid, how much did it skid, from which point did it skid over, and whether there are any doubts as far as this, in fact, accident is concerned. So all those things will fall on the forensic team to, in fact, accomplish. Let me once again play out the entire sequence. I will ask my producers if we can, in fact, once again play that conversation along with the sequence of the car which has been taken from the spot here and to a slight distance here. Dinesh will just turn around. Beyond these policemen, the truck is still standing, which was taking the car, with anxious onlookers who wanted to see the last vehicle in which Vikas Dubey, alive, was traveling. Let's first play the interaction with IG Mohit Agarwal, who refused to give answers to certain questions. Then we'll try and play that entire sequence and also the conversation we had with the forensic team officer while the vehicle was being, in fact, towed away from the encounter spot.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.